Spirals, welcome or welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a little different than the previous ones, so let's quickly get started. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the lessons I learned in this past 5.5 years that I have been living away from home in a completely different country. Now, keep in mind that these are the things that I have learned because life will teach you a lot of things, but it is upon us what we learn from it. So let's quickly begin with the lesson that I learned. The first thing is you'll have to put up a brave face and go on with life no matter what goes on within you. There are going to be a lot of times where you'll feel like giving up or rot in bed for days or weeks, but you'll have to do whatever it takes to be where you need to be. In the past few years, a lot of times I have felt to leave everything behind and go back home. I have questioned my path towards my career more times than I had questioned of being here, being in Russia, or even pursuing my dream of becoming a doctor. But not giving up is the thing that I did. That was and is possible only because of the support of my family and friends. Living with family, I had never realized how easy life had been before. But now I do. I need to do all the things by myself. Having a routine is the next thing that helped me. For the first 2 to 3 years of living here, I never realized how easy life gets with a routine. During that time when I didn't really have a routine, I wasn't really able to do anything good. There were times or days when I didn't study because I had to cook my own meals or didn't eat because I had to study for an exam or a test that I had to give for the next day. Managing all of this, I had lost a lot of friends. Losing friends is inevitable. I have lost more friends than I have made, be it due to distance or even career goals. It's not always possible to be there whenever and wherever someone needs you. Sometimes you will have to put yourself first and miss out on trips, get togethers, family functions, only because you have an exam or any other task that has to be completed. Another thing that I learned was doing things on my own. Before coming here, I hadn't really done anything by myself. Obviously, what can you expect from a 17-year-old moving to a whole another country just to pursue her dreams? But living here, I have done everything on my own, literally from waking up on time to cooking, to laundry, to even banking, which is not even my pursuit. But yes, we have to do things that we haven't done. I have also realized things about rest, breaks, and sleep. No one will tell you how important it is to take breaks until you completely break down. I know this sounds very contradicting to what I said a few minutes earlier, but going on with life and taking breaks are two different things. One is giving yourself time to rejuvenate, and other is to not give up. When I say taking breaks, it doesn't mean only about sleeping. You need to do something that relaxes your mind. It can be anything like a small hobby that you have, or going out with friends, playing something, or having any fun that you like. Everybody refreshes and relaxes in their own way, so find what suits you best because some people relax or refresh or do things very differently. Like some people will drown themselves in work and they will feel relaxed. They'll be very happy with what they are doing and living their life. But some people need to take breaks. They will have times if they work continuously for a week or a month, they will break down. So, see what suits you best and act accordingly. So this is going to be it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and keep inspiring, but don't switch off the video yet. There is a little bit remaining and then you can go. But also don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye, keep inspiring.